Namaste.
Welcome. Welcome to Today Also Cincai Cook channel. So, what's the plan today?
Today we cook teriyaki potato.
So, English also called Teriyaki Potato. This is actually a side dish. So, previously all the time we've been cooking the main dishes. So now some side dishes. And our friends actually like this dish very well. So we plan to share this with you all as well.
It's actually main dish is come out very easily, but always like difficult to think what is the side dish. So we have a lot of side dish idea. So if you want to know more, please subscribe.
Yes. And this side dish they normally use mayonnaise. Japanese like mayonnaise a lot. Like just Malaysian like to do everything with ketchup. Japanese like the rice also put mayonnaise. Cooking vegetables or chicken also use mayonnaise. In fact, like the mother also when the mother eat bread also put mayonnaise. Everything also mayonnaise.
So recently, easily can get like a Kewpie mayonnaise, the Japanese mayonnaise that we using it, and yeah.
So let's start.
Really nice this one.
Okay.
Please try. Let's go.
いただきます。
いただきます。
Let's try the potato.
Ichiban.
Very nice. The outside is already coated with the corn flour and also sugar, so a little bit crispy. The sugar is caramelized already.
But inside like mochi. This one is like good with like beer kind of thing also.
A very nice side dish, and also because of the sugar, it tastes quite sweet, but just enough, just nice.